Good morning, YouTube. January 28th, 2022. What's happening? I done got a lot of feedback about pallets. But this video is not about pallets. It's about my scrap metal that I have. And I took a load yesterday. I lost the receipt to the one that I did last month, but it was right at $360. But I'm just gonna show you the pile that I've been working on and how much scrap metal I still have back here. And last year, I believe I totaled like $1,700 just pulling scrap metal that I had stored up out of my backyard, which is mostly extrusion aluminum. But I'm gonna let you take a look at what I got back here left, and I'm trying to work it out. But as you can see, if you follow me, you have seen previous video where I had a mountain of this stuff back here, but it's all this aluminum. Some of it has too many screws, or it has rubber, or just it takes too long to get the screws are stripped. And I don't feel like fooling with it that much like that. And then I got stuff like this. The iron. The iron, the scrap yard don't want that iron. But I'm just trying to clean it up. I'm using a skill saw with an aluminum blade made by Diablo. But I'm talking about here, it was stacked up to like 5 foot, 6 foot tall. I'm just aluminum. All this aluminum. I couldn't even walk back here, y'all. Look, that's aluminum. It ain't never been used. It's clean. I gotta get it from out of there, but just look at that. A little bit of brass. Just look at all that aluminum. Some more brass. A little bit more brass. Some more brass. Look at that. Some of this is still kind of dirty, but now it has the glue or a few screws in it. All this has to be broken down. Gotta be broken down, gotta remove the steel plate. This right here, something that I had started working on, but like I said, it has stuff like this that I didn't want to take the time out. I was struggling to get it off, so I didn't worry about it. But for the most part, it's clean. See, it just rips off, and it still has that piece in there. But yeah, that's my wood chipper, y'all. Cause I'm in the yard business. That's not scrap. But I gotta get this cleaned up before the grass starts back growing. That's the goal. This is a tedious job. Like I said, it's January 28th. I took a load yesterday, January 27, 2022, and I'm gonna show you the receipt and how many pounds that I took. And as you can see, 1,040 pounds totaled up to $572. And I may have spent like 3 days, like 1 8-hour day and a couple of 4-hour days just loading that up, loading 1,000 pounds up. But yeah, you see, January 27, 2022, 11:04 a.m. $572 at 56 cents a pound and I had 1,040 pounds. It's hard to say how many more pounds is back here, but put in the comments how many more pounds you think is back here. I'm willing to imagine. I know I got at least 1,000 pounds easy back here. Another 1,000.